Why are the world's biggest players quietly scooping up Bitcoin? While most sleep, BTC is surging and supplies vanishing fast. Now this isn't hype, it's a power move. If you want to know what's driving it and what's next, stay tuned as we crack this thing open. Stealth rally. All right, fam. Look, Bitcoin's pulling a stealth move right now. It's just hit an all-time high, smashing past previous records with the biggest daily and weekly closes ever. Now, while the S&P's tanking and bonds are crumbling, 30-year yields over 5%, Bitcoin's like, catch me thriving. This isn't just a rally, it's a signal. The game's changing. Now let's dive into what's actually fueling this beast. Now, institutional power, could this be? Now, here's the deal. The big boys are all in. BlackRock and Fidelity dumped $2.7 billion into Bitcoin ETFs last week. Real money, not Reddit hype. MicroStrategy's Michael Saylor, he's a juggernaut, dropping $1.2 billion on BTC, owning 580,250. You're talking about Bitcoin billions. He's that guy. That's 2.7% of all Bitcoin Michael Saylor has. Exchanges are drying up. Only 8% of BTC's left to trade. The brutal truth is this supply shock's gonna squeeze prices. The smart money's moving. Don't get left behind. Now let's get nerdy for a second. Bitcoin's charts are screaming buy. We just saw a golden cross. The 50-day moving average crossed the 200-day. A massive bullish signal. Futures funding rates, they chilled out. No crazy leverage like 2021. The MVRV ratio shows how overvalued BTC is. And it says we're in deep value territory, which is miles from a bubble. This isn't euphoria, it's a calculated climb. The data's got my attention. Should it have yours? Now, Bitcoin's leading, but altcoins are the wild card. Hyperliquid's hype token just flipped Sui's market cap, with some calling it Solana 2.0, with 240% gains on the horizon. But Sui's Satis protocol got nailed for 220 million. Validators froze most of it, but it's got folks yelling centralization. Trump coins dinner with the Trump. It pumped, but media's trashing crypto as corrupt. All coins are messy, but Bitcoin's rock solid now. Where's Bitcoin going? The bulls are roaring. Bernstein and Standard Chartered are 200K by year end. Arthur Hayes is wilder. He's predicting we're hitting 250,000. Even Van X at 180K with their prediction. Why so bullish? Retail's barely here. Google searches for BTC are dead, quite compared to past rallies. But let's not sugarcoat it. Risks are real. Elizabeth Warren's out here hating on crypto. Tariffs caused $300 million in liquidations last week, and a retail FOMO wave could definitely spark a dip. My take, Bitcoin's got legs, but play it smart and check your emotions, because they could be your downfall. Ladies and gentlemen, Bitcoin's silent surge is a wake-up call, fam. Pay attention, please, because the elite are stacking, charts are screaming, and crypto's rewriting the rules. But don't get sucked into hype. Do your homework. If you want more raw crypto insights, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's ride this wave. Drop your thoughts below. What's Bitcoin's next move?